Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this short video we will be covering the return statement in a loop. So we covered breaks and continues as loop interrupters. We will also tackle a return. So this is the third episode for loop interruptions, and we will cover return. So let us expedite the process by tackling what happens when we use a return in a loop. So let us take a for loop like such, and let us say I wish to print a series of numbers from 1 to 5. Now I wish to interrupt the loop should I equal 4, but instead of saying break I will say return, and let us see what happens. However, if this does not exist, I simply wish to print I. Firstly, let us see what the output would be without this portion to understand the differences. Oh, I wanted to say this as 1, not 5. Sorry, not 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is printing the numbers vertically because I used the print line method. Okay, now let us return this and see what prints. 1, 2, 3. Once I becomes 4, the compiler breaks free from the loop. So this is exactly the same as break. As you can see, break also breaks out of the loop. However, you should remember that for return, this return refers to the main method. So because the main method returns void, so it returns nothing, it does not return anything, be careful if you return any value from here. So let us say return loop interrupted, for example. As you can see, we have an error. Make main return a string instead of void. So be careful with this particular return statement, because this statement refers to the main method, as methods are the only aspect of Java that have a return type. I honestly do not see returns used as loop interruptions, to be quite honest. However, if you have seen or have experience with return statements within as loop interrupters, please feel free to share such experience in the comments below so that we can all learn and benefit from this knowledge. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.